So you might not believe this, but I am actually 39 and I'm 40 next week. So the lads have organised a thing that they set up a group chat and then instantly kicked me out of it. We're having a bit of a meet-up for my birthday, so yeah, we're gonna have some really nice food. We're gonna have a nice fire, a few beers, some vehicles. What more do you need? This is exactly what we do.
This treacherous path as we're coming up here now. Don't know if we're going to be able to see out the window with Jake on the bonnet.
So amazing night's sleep. We're just having a bit of tidy up, doing the pots, grabbing a coffee, and I know the lads are cooking down the bottom. We've ended up as almost two camps. The cooking camp of get people out of the way up here, and a bit of a social camp up this end. It's a good sized wood. Can they legally call them sausages?
Yes. I know, mate, I know.
No, that is the point of a sausage, right? Richmond are banging because they're cheap shit.
Mate, don't let my missus hear you say that. Like, she hates Richmond sausages.
None of this Lincolnshire stuff with bits of, like you've dropped it on the floor and you've got some grass in it and stuff.
Ain't got a bit of black pudding in it, it's not sausage.
Yeah. Try to think myself,
It's not, is
to be
it?
honest. I'm thinking that myself.
See, I always thought Corrie was alright, but I'm starting to have my doubts now. He's saying bad things about my sausage.
Come on, Stu, back me up.
So when you're too messy to walk down the woods, the only option's drive.
Yeah, if you can't walk, make sure you drive drunk instead. No, I feel alright, but I walked up and down that hill too much yesterday. I'm not doing it again today. So I'm here now.
This is novel. I've put breakfast on for everyone. I say I've put breakfast on. I've done absolutely nothing but pay for it. Matt and the lads have put breakfast on. Because I've done it, I get first dibs, but I think I'm just going to pull a chair up and just sit there and you lot can bollocks and watch me.
Maybe a son. No. My son was drawing his over and I was going, and the teacher picked up on it and I went.
So, we've got Mark's 130. If you're interested in that one, there is a video tour of that one. We've got Tim's Winter Wader 90 in his trailer. There is a video tour of that one too. My vehicle, got Pete's vehicle, there is a tour of that one if you're interested in it. All these are in the playlists and stuff. And I want to say a massive thank you to everybody that watched the Pyrenees off-roading adventure video and left a comment, because there was loads more comments than usual. It goes a long way to the algorithm, so thank you, it does help.
By the time you get the time of door rolling as well, that's this much.
It's used,
You got battery powered fridge.
Yeah,
but it's used 6% in about 14 hours.
Eco.
And I'm asking that to be -1 degrees. So
I tell you what, someone should do a video on these, I'd.
Don't do videos on there. But yeah, check this out. This is like your disarming a nuclear power plant.
I think
that kind of awesome. Yeah, so I travelled down yesterday with that in there because my test was going to be how long it's going to last while you're.
So can you have two of them on charge from either mains or the van while you're driving?
You charge this. Yeah, you can have this.
And then you can them.
You can plug this into your cigarette lighter, plug that into your cigarette lighter, whatever. But the idea is, if you've got this hooked up to your solar, you can recharge that battery and swap it out the bottom.
Yeah.
This is like, why are you doing free advertising for a company? They should blow you up. This goes on YouTube.
Yeah, Blue Tea. Where's my one of these?
7 years and still the same thing that I told him it's not.
He just likes the clicky bit.
It's toys. It's toys. It is toys.
It's right good.
This Havana stuff's nice.
Yeah, it is.
Like,
It
it's
is.
a nice truck.
It is. Yeah.
Not looking forward to this bit. So, as a bit of a thing, for years and years and years, I've wanted my daughter's name in runes on my arm. And one of the guys here does tattoos. And so he's brought all the sterile equipment, everything like that. We're out in the breeze. Gonna get it done. And I'll be sure there's someone moaning about, it's got to be in a studio and done all this, that and the other. Yeah, because everyone on earth has studios. He has actually got multiple shops, but I want to be in the woods because I do this. It's been about 10 years since I've had a tattoo, and I'm a right wuss because I don't like being touched on the inside of my arm. So I'm wondering, that's my daughter's name in Viking runes. I'm saying Viking runes, I mean like Norse runes, the older ones. Right, so that was, I don't even know how long, what was that, an hour, 2 hours?
Hour and a half-ish.
Yeah, so that was actually really, really quick. Here's what we got. I know it's not everybody's thing, but it's my daughter's name, and I've wanted that on for some time. I'm in the woods. I've actually found someone that'll do an outdoor tattoo, which I know there'll be tattoo artists that'll bitch and moan about that, but found someone that'll do that. I'm where I like to be, and that's something that I want doing. Happy days. I'm chuffed. Thank you very much.
It's alright, mate.
Cooking again for us.
Cooking, right. Lamb down sack, chicken balti. But I've cheated.
Is there enough for everybody there? I think you've gone a bit tight with the portions again there.
Yeah, one. Yeah, no, that'll do me and you.
Right, so now I've finished getting poked for the last hour, hour and a half. Jake's just come over and got me and said, right, we're going to go play some games because we're giant children. So in the middle of the woods, they've set something up.
Good advert for all powers.
I can hear giggling.
Your motor.
Solar power.
Red or white? Just because we're big kids.
Got a wild influencer. Wild influencer. Go on, give us a flex. Whooshka.
Does anyone know which way the bar is?
So, as you know, we like a good prank with each other. And about a year and a half ago, Jake got it real bad when he got hammered at the group meet. And someone set his phone to go off at all hours through the night. You'd think the guy had learned after getting beasted by his missus about his phone going off at all hours, not to leave his phone unattended, Tim.
You would, except today he was off making a Scale Electrics track and left his phone on my chair. So he now has an alarm for 3:15, for 4:13, for 5:07, for 5:22, for 5:35, for 6:30, for 6:32, for 6:38, for 7:42. So yeah, there's a few. He's yeah, the only person I'm afraid of is Leanne.
Sorry, Leanne. Wasn't me.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry!
You're slacking. You're going to have to update your branding on your mat.
You're welcome, man. They've gone up in price since I did that.
See now.
The evolution of whoa. Do apologise for not doing too much filming today, but obviously, as you can imagine, we had a good night last night. We had a cracking breakfast this morning.
Rich,
Yes.
another beer?
Yes. Yeah, we've had a few beers through the day, had my tattoo done, we've done a bit of media stuff with Jake, looked at everybody's, I mean, come on, what a collection of vehicles. And Stu has now done us something a little bit special with that curry. Being followed.
Rice up a diamond down.
It's the bread man.
Smells freaking awesome. Real good.
See some epic expedition vehicles from Tony.
Ah, mate, man.
Bit of both.
Not a fan of one.
Bit of out.
He's just like it. It's like listening to me.
We've got poppadoms over here with fucking banging sauces and all.
Babadum. Babadum, babadum, babadum.
What a fantastic feed that was. That was, he'd done a lamb curry and a chicken curry. Absolutely banging. Far too full, again. And the worst bit is, we've got another course at 9 o'clock for the cheese boards and stuff. So, but what a chilled weekend. Thank you very much, lads, for putting. I tell you what they say, couples that shoplift together stay together.
Hold on, that's a sweet one.
Big thanks to the group of people that put this together, because it's been right nice that I've not done anything. Literally got told to turn up, and a lot of it's been, oh, okay, that's nice. Which is out of my comfort zone, because normally I have to arrange everything and like almost herd everybody and find out what we're doing. So yeah, not ideal that I've had no hand in it, but at the same time great that I've had no hand in it. Thanks, lads. Also, I had someone buy me something a while back, and I've saved it and saved it and saved it till now. So Mr. E30 got in touch with Mason Bushcraft Knives, and he's bought me this. He said he didn't see a nice knife in my kitchen. Look, that's almost too nice just to leave in a cupboard, isn't it? Proper kitchen knife, and a strop to keep it nice and sharp. So that now is the nicest thing that I have in my kitchen cupboards. Thank you very much, I really do appreciate that. Cheers, pal.
Now, I've only found that one. I remember when he got right salty when I stuck a sticker on his fucking truck. He was like, oh, the paint is UV protected, bounces off the sun, can't be seen by sonar. And now he sticker bombed the fuck out of my motor.
You'll be fine on in like 3 months when you move something.
Yeah, what I've realised is I got the camper vans because I didn't want to do the whole pack down thing. I wanted to be able to start the engine and drive away.
That's the only reason I ain't got a screen cover like that.
And now I'm putting lots of stuff in bags.
Yeah.
And it's fine today. But when it's raining.
Oh, that is an awesome cover, but then I always think I can get from my bed to my driver's seat and set off.
Yeah.
Whereas that...
You can actually, you can pull that little flap down. Everything.
Straight onto the
How's it go again?
Flapping around.
Yeah. That's how I roll.
Like me down a hill.
Also, if you're here for a couple of days, mate, I will do without this.
I'm alright with my screen
The
covers.
light cut, what, your Remis blinds?
Yeah, sorted then, mate.
No
rattles, anything.
I'm thinking Remis on the windscreen and truck ones on the sides.
Yeah. Yeah, I would...
Cause I looked, I really wanted the truck style one. Well, I wanted the Remis ones first, but 750 quid for blinds, I just can't bring myself to do. So I'm thinking the windscreen one, and then the truck style ones, you know, for the side ones, because I can't get the truck ones that go all the way around because I've got the low roof. The rail will be right in my eyesight, so it's a bit of a non-starter.
The non-starter?
Yeah.
Non-starter? Isn't a non-starter just a packet of Haribo?
She said she was 12!
Right, so we're just tidying that area up now and got the vehicles round, get some Chad Insta shots while we're here. And I think the next one, we've got some bits and bats to catch up on the van, the trimming, bits like that. And then I think we're coming back to this one again for the Patreon meet. So we're 50-50 of, do I go to a bit of a show thing and have that little group thing there, or do we come to the woods? And I think the unanimous thing is the woods, because people like it. There's not many places where you can get vehicles in like this, have somewhere dry to sit and have a long drop and just be left alone, really.
Well, you read the guts out of it, it was the region. You basically just...
Right, I have got the most erratic admin in the world, as I'm sure a lot of you that have been following for long enough. We've got the giveaway that's massively overdue, and I've set reminders and reminders and reminders, and I actually set a reminder on my phone and it come up when I was having my tattoo yesterday, so I forgot all about it again. I've just remembered now, so let's get this out of the way. These are for the Borman spotlights from Beacons and Light Bars, and they are a nice bit of kit. I'll quickly show you. Jake got some as well. You best not win, Jake, because you've got some. It is these ones. I've also got these on the back of my vehicle as well as like big reverse lights, and they've got marker lights on, so they do the DRL in red. Shut up! This is the problem. Half the fucking people here are Patreons. they're all crowding around like, I'm gonna win. Right, so I don't want to do this draw because then people can accuse me of cheating. So I've got all the comments on here. Tim's got random number generator. He's gonna shout out a number, and Pete can scroll down and find out, yeah, who's won. So Pete, if you can take that one, if you don't let the screen lock. So 26 people on the giveaway.
Hey Siri, pick a random number between 1 and 26. 22.
So
22. Can I count that?
One sec.
I'm going to mess this name up. Scott Molyneux?
Scott, number 22.
So when you see this, Scott, if you can DM me on Patreon, please, and then what I will do, I will pass your details on to Beacons and Light Bars. They're going to send them direct out, so then I don't have an admin fuck up and have a bit of a meltdown because I've got the address wrong. So yeah, if you just DM me on the Patreon site, thank you. I said that like it was some sort of message. That's like an answer phone message, wasn't it?
Someone just check my counting to make
Right, I'm going home. I know that was a bit of a hodgepodge video, but I was having a good time. It's a lot of people that came. Thanks for everyone for putting it together, because like I say, I've had zero input in this, so it's been right nice. Get a proper one sorted for next time.